I create a lot of ads every single week to test out new messaging and new positioning and new angles to try to expand my market as much as possible. So, just to give you some reference, I am a digital products coach. So, I help people to launch their own digital products. And I have a front end offer, which is the 3 hour digital product builder training, wherein in just a couple of hours, I get somebody who gets the training to figure out their niche and create a product in one sitting and launch it with simple meta ads, like boosted ads. So this particular digital product that I have, and there are different angles to that to sell anything, right? If you just understand this concept of how can I expand my market by tapping different personas, different angles, different pain points, different all of it, you will never run out of ad concepts ever again. And I have, for example, these 5 6 ads that I'm going to be launching tonight. So I'm going to be spending 3 to 500 per ad set. So per ad I'm going to spend 500 rupees and going to test like for 3 days 5 days on an every single ad basis and test out some winners. So I have some angles that I have in front of us, which is like, okay, are you still trading time for money? You don't need another course, you need a digital product that actually sells. Your skill deserves to sell and not just, for your employer. You have ideas but still don't have income. Turn that simple idea into a selling product in 3 hours. Start selling your digital skills, still selling your digital skills of someone else's business. Create your own product so that you can do it. Now you might be considering like, okay, like what's so great about that? All of these angles came either from the client calls that I do. So I work with my clients on a one-to-one basis. So from the mentorship calls or consultation calls that I do with my clients, I get the transcript and I feed a particular prompt that I have through Claude routines, and I get every single day in my dashboard a new image ad concept, so I can just like test out unlimited angles. So just like client calls, I have prospect calls, and I can go on group calls with my clients, with my crew, as well as I can go with my team members. So any call that I'm doing on Zoom, on Google Meet, that gives me reel scripts, that gives me email ideas, that gives me image ad, meta ad ideas, and it's an unlimited thing. That's why, like, just in a couple of days I got like 6 7 angles, and these are just things spoken by somebody to me. So a prospect is telling me or a client is telling me. Usually what happens is we talk to our we talk to ChatGPT and Claude, and definitely it's good, but it's going to be limited because it's taking like AI, the voice is AI. But if you are refining, like you are refining a call transcript from a client of yours or a prospect of yours, and they want to like they are speaking something, their pain point or their desire, you can easily, in their own language, in their own words, reflecting their own problems and their own desired states, to create image ad concepts, and it's going to crush because it came right from the horse's mouth, right? So use this ideation for your own digital product business, and it's going to crush, because ads are not magical. You have to test out on an every single day basis 2 3 new concepts, and it's just like content creation, right? People make huge fuss about ads, but ads are just content pieces. Like if somebody, an Instagram coach in front comes in front of you and says that, hey, you got to post every single week, every single day, you would be like, yeah, for sure I would have to do it. But if somebody says like you have to create image ads, like, or real ads or any kinds of ads every single day or every single week, now you would be like, you are like, why should I do it? It's a lot of work. But you want to make money, right? You create your product, you create your service once, but the marketing is a forever gig for you. You got to understand that it has got to be out there, that you're testing new ads, testing new content pieces, and figuring out the winners, and keep reiterating and it never stops. And that's the fun part about running a digital product business, running an coaching, consulting, or an agency sort of business. You get so good at persuasion because it's an endless cycle. It's that stairmaster that you go into the gym where the steps never stop. So you got to continuously like climb up, climb up, climb up, and the moment that you stop climbing up, you're going to fall down. Okay, with that mindset thing out of the way, go test out more ad concepts. And if you're looking to work with me, I'm going to give like a simple CTA somewhere in the video, or maybe you can check the link in the description. I work with my clients in a one-to-one basis to do not just this, but create like a whole big 50,000 rupee offer, their 500 rupees digital product, as well as setting up all of these marketing systems, advertising systems, so that you can finally make 1 lakh a month easy in your online business. Right? Definitely it takes some time, 3 to 6 months. But if you are really serious about building this once for and for all, you know where to find me.